Hey, it's Dennis again. I'm here with a tip about your filter on your little pump. So if you have a look at this, I'll show you how to modify it. If your pump decides to go off, it's designed so it goes off if there's a low suction or no water detected. And what happens is there's a little gauze inside this filter, so just remove it from your pump. And the little gauze inside here can block up, stop the pump from working, and then you think you've got a pump problem, but in actual fact, it's only the filter. So do what I do. I've been doing this to all my filters. Little clay balls in there, open it up, get rid of them, you don't need them. And then also, just in the top here, you just want to poke a little screwdriver or something pointy through, and you can see we'll just pop out that tiny little gauze. Look how fine it is. So if you grow with something like vermiculite or perlite or anything else that's not just a clean medium, you're going to get blockages really easily, and then that means more maintenance. And of course, the less maintenance for us, the better. We then grab our filter pieces, chuck it back together. Now look at that. You've got the perfect size holes here so that no roots grow through. If they do, it's not going to cause any problems. And also the vermiculite and perlite's not going to get caught up and go inside the pump. It won't go inside the pump. It'll just get caught up here, but it's a massive surface area and really, really easy to clean. Pop it back on, and there you have it. That's the perfect filter. If you don't have a filter, don't worry, that's fine, because I've been using these things for years just with that. But we've added this filter on. Our filters, and in the next batch will be like that, like I've shown you. So turn it into that, perfect, lasts forever. Excellent. All right, I'll be back with some more tips. Cheers.